Today we're talking about the Zwilling 4-stage knife sharpener. And what's really nice about this knife sharpener is that it'll do both Asian and standard knives. If you don't know the difference, an Asian knife is going to have a very thin blade angle compared to the wider blade angle of the standard knife. The way this works is once you've selected Asian or standard, put it on a firm surface, give it a nice grip, take your knife, and we're going to go from the heel to the toe 20 times on the coarse side. This is the rough sharpening of the knife. And once you've done approximately 20 strokes on the coarse side, you move over, you do 5 strokes on the fine side. Once you've completed your 5 strokes on the fine side, the knife should be pretty sharp. And one way to show a knife is sharp is by just cutting paper. If it cuts without tearing, you've got a sharp knife.